If you've run out of seed trays or you just want to use a little less plastic in the garden, you can actually make very effective little seed pots out of old newspapers. And the delightful thing about that is you can put them straight into the ground and the newspaper will disintegrate around them. Got to be a bonus. I'm going to show you how to make this one that's about 3 inches by 3 inches. That's just under 8 centimetres, I think, by 8 centimetres from a broadsheet. So first of all, I'm going to fold it lengthwise. And then fold it again. Open it up. And I'm going to fold the lengthwise into the middle, like that. Now, that isn't essential, but I'm going to explain why I've done that in the next step. So the next step is to fold it up from the bottom up to the top, like so. Now, the reason why I did that first lengthwise fold was to create as square a piece as possible at this point. Now, that isn't essential. All that means is that you will end up with sides that come down to the base rather than sides that come part way down the side, as it were. Now, it really doesn't matter, and in fact, after you've done a few of these, you really won't care too much about that. Anyway, let's get back to making the pot. So let's fold this in half again so we get a good midline to work towards. Now, with the folded edge at the bottom, take the corner here and fold it into the middle like that. Turn it around and do the same on the other side. Now, take the top leaf from the bottom part and fold it up to the bottom of the triangle. Oops. Like that. Oop. Now, fold it again over the top of the bottom of the triangle. Turn it over. Now we want this edge to be folded to the midline. So fold that over. Turn it round and do the same on the other side. Now with the remaining bottom bit, fold it up to that line there. Then fold it again. Oop. Right, what we're going to do is take this piece here, this edge here, fold it behind those two flaps and into the pockets in there. Now sometimes just slots in perfectly, sometimes you have to work at it a little bit more. And that's not bad. Now take the pointy end and fold it back on itself. Turn it over and do the same on the other side. Open it up, take that corner to that corner and press on that bottom bit there. Do the same, that corner to that corner. And again, press on that bottom bit there. That's basically making a sound base. Now open it up and the base more or less forms itself, nice and flat, and then you can just primp the top bits and there you have it. All ready for some compost and seeds.